Hiya, I'm Paul at One Man One Dog Berlingo Micro Camper. It's 9 AM on Sunday the 10th of February 2019. So I'm going to start the insulation. So I'm going to lift this plastic floor, lay insulation underneath it, and then put the plastic back down. So I'm going to remove this first. Okay. Here's the floor panel removed. It was just a few like pushing studs, plastic studs that held it in. Right, I'm going to vac it now, clean it with white spirit. Right, vac it out the best I can. Okay, so we've got the floor cover there. I've got some scissors, a silver Sharpie. Got it laid out like that. So I'm going to cut each side of the foil to the contour of the plastic floor cover, so it'll just fit in place. This is a foil that I've got. It's thermal value insulation. Got it from B&Q a good few years ago. Had it in storage, never used it. 3mm thick. I think that was under a tenner anyway. I don't know whether the prices have gone up, I'm not sure. Okay, so I'll show you what I'm doing. I actually need a black Sharpie, not a silver Sharpie, because the foil's silver. Right. Okay, so lay the cover on the floor, lined it up, drew a line round with a Sharpie, extended that bit there, because the carpet comes up to them is a bit of bare metal that the carpet sits over, so like to cover that, gone around the holes. Right, okay, I'm going to cut it out now. I'm going to show you it cut out. Okay, that's it cut. All the holes in it. Right, I'm going to do the opposite side now. Okay, so that's the left side cut. Just show you quickly. Right, now I'm going to go in the car and I'm going to clean all the floor with white spirit and remove all the tar, bits of gunk, any oils, dirts, so the white spirit should get it off. So I'm going to go and do that. Okay, so this is a glue I'm using. It's Wilco heavy duty multi-purpose adhesive spray for metal, wood, concrete, paper, fabric, cork, foam, rigid plastics and leather for DIY crafts and household repairs. Right, I'm not sure of the price of this. I threw the receipt away. I've been looking for it but I couldn't find it, but it's not there. Under a tenner anyway. Must be, because I got 2 tins of it and I wouldn't have bought 2 tins if it was there. Spray 15 to 20 centimeters away. Leave 5 minutes to dry before bonding. And then it says it should be dry in an hour. Right? So this is what I'm going to use. Photobombed. What you after? Eh? You have to smack holes. Oh, he is. He is. Be careful near these scissors. Okay, I've cleaned it with white spirit. It's got a lot of grime off. So I'm going to first lay this side. Okay, I'm going to show you after I've laid it. Okay, so that's the foil wrap fitted, the bubble foil. It's glued down. It's got a bit of sun on it. I'm going to close the car up and let it dry now. Next is remove this. That side's already removed, and I've got some recycled plastic bottle insulation to stick up the cavities. So I'll be doing that next, but I want this to dry for an hour. Okay. Monday, the 11th of February 2019. It's 6 AM in the morning. I woke up early, couldn't sleep. So today, later on, I'm going to fit this. It's SupaSoft insulation. Made in the UK from recycled polyester. Now, when I bought this, it said it's recycled plastic bottles. So you use this sort of stuff for recycled plastic bottle stuff. You put loft insulation in or any other sort, and it holds moisture and it'll rot your car inside out. So this is why I'm using that, and it's to fill the cavities. So I'm going to fit it after, or not after, when it goes light. Okay, so it's 9 o'clock in the morning, a few hours later when I did the video when I started, and I'm going to remove this plastic. I don't want this on, I don't want this coming out. It comes out 2 inches there, over onto the bed, so I'm going to remove that. And my seat belt, don't need it, so might as well. Right, piece of cake with this socket set my brother got me and my sister-in-law at Christmas. So that's it removed. Now I'm going to get this panel off and get the SupaSoft insulation in there, so I can put it in there, and I can also put it in here. I'm going to cover this with bubble foil, I think, for bare metal. Okay, let's do it. Okay, not a dead big cavity, but still a cavity. So I've got in there, got also in there. I think if I could get some in there. That's that hole there. Right, okay. I'm gonna go and get some breakfast now, I'm starving. Okay, let's get the SupaSoft in these cavities. Right, I can't cut it. I've tried my knife, tried my scissors, had to rip it. That's it, filled with the SupaSoft. I'm going to put the panel back over here. Right, I'm going to go and get a drink. My load of fibres floating about made me thirsty. I'm going to cover this with bubble foil next. Right, that's that side done. I did this side. Cleaned it with white spirit. Fit the bubble foil now. Right, it's 12:30, dinner time, and I've finished. Just a few bits to tidy up, like just round here, gluing them bits on, removing this tape here, few bits there, what I remove that tape, but that's it. Hi, it's Wednesday the 13th of February 2019. It's 2:15 in the afternoon. Right, I didn't do out yesterday, so I'm going to do some work today. Trim bits like this, I trim round that. Just trim bits of tape off there and glue some bubble foil on there. Okay. Okay. Got a trim mat after when it's dried, glued all down there. Also studded the carpet back on. It's 4 o'clock and I've finished. So taped all these edges up all round here. Get in so we can have a proper look. All these edges, that was already trimmed, but I've trimmed that and put this tape down here, down the middle, down that side, trimmed it over here, put tape here and all on this bit around here. Got the jack and the brace back in. I've also put this along here to stop it pulling up and ripping. Right, okay, tomorrow I'm going to fit the floor back in and that's it done, the insulation. Be the end of the video. Okay. Okay, it's dinner time, 12 o'clock, Thursday the 14th of February 2019. So I want to fit the plastic floor cover. Okay, we've got DIY dog in here with me. Wanted to come out and help, didn't ya? Eh? You can keep guard. Right, let's get it fitted. Oh, I never said I painted the floor. Get it nice and bright, but it's not my best. The paint's coming off here, so it might have to be covered anyway. But got a few marks on it where it's been bent, scratches in it already. Right, okay, this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching. You've been watching me, Paul, at One Man One Dog Berlingo Micro Camper. I've got a Facebook page, I'm working on a website, and I've also got a micro camper Facebook group, so I'll put the links in the description below. And thanks for watching me. I hope you found this helpful. Right, okay, bye.